This video documents a two-coat system of water-based epoxy and polyaspartic top coat. The area being coated is a low traffic space where a light-colored flake will brighten the dingy concrete. The area is only 150 square feet. Still, the obstacles of racking frames and an expansion joint mean extra time to fully prep all the concrete that will be coated. A 7-inch hand grinder works for the detailed prep, and a walk-behind rotary handles the rest. A joint saw is used to cut an 1/8-inch deep line. This line will act as an end point for the new coating. With the coating keyed into the concrete, traffic across this area of transition will be less likely to cause excessive edge wear. A shop blaster is next to remove the fine grinding dust not collected by wand vacuuming. The machine is moved quickly to remove the dust, but does little to increase surface profile. Following this is the recovery of any loose shot by magnet sweeper. The flake binder layer is a water-based epoxy that can be applied over a primer or direct to concrete. Here it will be applied without a primer. The outside wall footing is done using a chip brush. Care is taken here to not coat over the expansion joint. Tape is then applied to the keyed edge to protect the concrete not being coated. The rest of the slab is coated using a 10mm notch squeegee. Once spread, ridges and drips are made uniform by back rolling with a 3/8-inch roller. The flake, as it is conventionally applied, is broadcast to rejection. Once dried enough to handle light traffic, 2 hours in this case, surface vacuuming recovers the loose flake. Then the surface is scraped to break off any sharp edges. Finishing up, the surface is vacuumed again to remove all the loose flake. The top coat is a 2-component polyaspartic. It's a low odor formula that's ideal for interior occupied spaces. It's applied by window squeegee to provide a plus or minus 6mm traffic layer. A 3/8-inch dry roller is used to level any ridges or drips. Once ready for light traffic, the next day in this case, a closer look reveals a uniform semi-gloss surface. And that's about it. A two-coat system of water-based epoxy and polyaspartic top coat.